Hello everyone, my name is Sunil from Unbox Review Center, and I'll be presenting you with a lot of unboxing and reviews of the gadgets that you love the most. So today I have this amazing monster in my hands, that is Asus FX503 DV, and this is the product that I've been using for almost a month now, not exactly a month, but almost a month. And the only reason why I'm doing this review almost after a month is because I wanted to try it first, see how this is exactly working, and then give you the review so that it comes quite natural as to what I'm trying to tell you, and if this product, this monster, is working well or not. Because the first impression is always good. When you try to buy a new laptop, when you open a new laptop, it always works fine. But when you try to use it after 10 days, 15 days, you try to realize a lot of things that are not exactly the way it should be, or it was promised to you initially. So that's the reason this review is completely based on my experience that I had with this product for almost, I'm sweating because the AC is not here in this room. So this review is totally based on my experience for about 20 days, and I'm going to tell you what I have felt so far about this product. So this is Asus FX503 VD108T 2017 15.6 inch screen, and it comes with 7th generation Core i5 processor, 7300 HQ, 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. To begin with, and this is completely pre-installed with Windows 10, so you don't have to do the installations. However, I was told initially by the customer care team of Chroma, from where I bought this, to uninstall the basic softwares given by Microsoft so that it doesn't give you a problem at the later end. You will be prompted to install some genuine softwares, and then later on you will find some more difficulties. So what I did initially when I bought this product, I uninstalled some of the softwares that were initially there. Then I installed the same related softwares again, sourcing it from some of my friends. If I talk about the price, the time when I bought this product from Chroma, it was about 66,900, and at the same time the price on Amazon and Flipkart was somewhere around 69,000, but right now on Amazon it is showing about 67,589 with free shipping, so you don't have to pay anything extra on shipping. However, just want to keep you informed, if you have a GST number, if you buy with your company's name, then you might get somewhere about 10,000 as input tax credit. So if you want to buy some product like this which are very costly, and if you have any of your friends who have a GST number, ask them to buy with their GST number so that they get the input credit, and that's how they save some money. Now, if I talk about the performance of this laptop, I would say it's one of the best that I've felt so far in my entire life because of a couple of reasons. One is because of its graphic cards. It has a 4GB graphic card, which is one of the best in the business, i5 processor, and of course 7th generation core. So that makes it very fast and very reliable at the time when you need it the most. If I talk about the weight of this product, this would be somewhere close to 3.5 kilos because of certain specific reasons. Now, this is a gaming laptop. I'm not sure if I told you earlier, but this is a gaming laptop which needs high configuration so that you don't feel crazy while playing games. So that's the reason they have given some cool stuff here. So if you look at the back side of this laptop, you will find, a couple of cooling fans are here, which are turbo fans. So that will actually cool down your laptop to a great extent on a quick basis. So if I talk about the keyboards are extremely soft and it feels really good to work on these keyboards. You don't have to press too hard, you don't have to press too soft, it just works out quite well. And also you have an option here to manage the LED backlight color here, so you can just use the function key and then increase or decrease the brightness of the keyboard LEDs. So that one option. However, you also see a couple of options here, a couple of things here. That's a speaker, and the other side also you will find the same sort of speaker, and on the front end also you find a speaker here on the front side. So that way you'll find an amazing sound experience, which I have felt. If you want to hear a song, I can make you hear a song right now, but then when you're sitting in front of a laptop, you can actually hear that effect because you have speakers on both sides and also on the front side, and the overall output of the speaker is also amazing. The best part about this laptop, which I was actually shown out there when I was trying to buy it, and that's one of the reasons why I thought of buying this, when you try to switch off the laptop, it switches off within seconds, within 3 to 4 seconds, and if you want to restart the laptop, it will restart within 5 to 7 seconds. That's the beauty, because that's how you want the work to be done. Now, if I compare these kind of laptops with the basic laptops, like without the graphic cards and without those RAMs and things like that, see, overall it's going to impact your production time, because if you want works to be done faster, you need a laptop that is working even faster. If you have about 60 to 70,000 to spend on laptop, I would suggest you go for something like this, which is a gaming laptop. You can go with any other brand you like, but I've gone for Asus because they develop their own graphic cards and they use it in their own laptops. Overall, for a YouTuber, I would suggest this is one of the best options. I'm not saying again and again that Asus is the best option. I'm saying gaming laptop is the best option. So this model is quite new, and see, if I talk about the packing, this is how it comes. So it comes in a box like this, wherein you don't get any other stuff apart from a charger. So that's the charger, guys. It's 19-watt AC adapter. Okay, so that's roughly about 700 to 800 grams. Apart from that, if I talk about this bag, you don't get anything else inside this bag except a couple of pamphlets here, so that are good for nothing. Plus I also got this laptop bag along with this package, and it's quite good quality laptop bag, obviously, because it came along with the brand. So overall, if I have to rate this laptop, if I compare the price and the performance, I would give it 4 out of 5. Why not 5? The only reason, because it's too heavy. Yeah, it's not made for soft hands. Remember, you need to have strong hands to lift this laptop or carry this laptop. because it's almost about 3 to 3.5 kilograms. So as you can see here, I'm using this for Filmora, and earlier when I was using this Filmora in my previous laptop, that was Sony Vaio i3 processor, 5th generation laptop, the output, the conversion of video used to take somewhere around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to convert a 10 minutes video. Okay, now the same amount of work when I'm doing it here, it takes roughly about 10 to 15 minutes, max 10 to 15 minutes. So that's the difference between two laptops. If you have a good processor, good RAM, good graphic cards, that's the difference it makes in the output. So overall it saves somewhere around 1.5 hours. That's a lot of time that you save in each day. So earlier I used to plan to create 1 videos a day. Now I can easily plan to create 2 videos a day because I have enough time and enough support from this laptop. So that's the first review of this channel. I hope you liked the review. So if you have liked the review, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell button, because I'm coming up with a lot of such reviews of multiple products that you might not have thought that I will do the reviews of these kind of products. So that's it as of now. I'll see you again in some other video with some other review or unboxing. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye.